Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid. How are you, students? In today's video, we will learn about the animals that live in water. So, our today's topic is animals live in water too, from lesson number 5, Animal Homes. In previous videos, we have learned about land animals. In this video, we will learn about animals live in water. So, before starting our topic, I want to share one important information to you. What's that? The feet of mountain goats are well suited for walking on mountain slopes. Students, see in this picture, it is mountain goat. And the feet of mountain goats are well suited. It can walk easily on the mountain slopes. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made its feet according to its place. Wherever it walks, it can walk very easily on mountain slopes, and every mountain it can climb. So is it interesting? Yes, it's interesting. So let's start about animals live in water. So students, many animals live in water. Some animals that are found in water are in this picture. We can see fish, dolphin, octopus, jellyfish, whale, starfish. These all are the animals which live in water. I'll show you more pictures. See, fishes are in water. Dolphin, it is also in water. Octopus, these are the pictures of octopus. It also these octopus also live in water. Jellyfish, it is the picture of jellyfish. You can see easily. It also survive in water. Dolphin also live in water. So does starfish. It is also water animal. You can see. And so thus these are the water animals, those survive in water. Some birds such as ducks and penguins live in water and on land. See, students, in this picture it is the pictures of penguins. Penguins and ducks can live in water also and in on land also. So in this picture you can see that, you can observe that penguin swimming in water, and these penguins are standing on land. You can see. So keep it remember, some animals such as ducks and penguins live in water and on land. Frogs and crocodile too live both on land and in water. Crocodile, frogs and crocodiles also can survive on water, in water and on land. See, this is the picture of frogs and crocodile living in water and living on land. So keep it remember, crocodile and um, crocodile and frogs both also can live on water and on land. So students, in this video we have learned about animals live in water, animals such as fish, dolphin, octopus, jellyfish, whale, starfish. And some birds such as ducks and penguins live in water and on land. frogs and crocodiles to live both on land and in water. So keep it remember and try to understand and try to learn all these things whatever we have listened into this video. So inshallah in next video we will meet with the next topic, and inshallah we will cover next topic in next video. So thank you, jazakallah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi